weekend beach getaway. Just you and your partner and all this stuff? Wait a second. You don't need all of that. A quick beach trip should be low stress and laid back, and that means taking only what's necessary. Beach vacations are great for those new to packing light. Bikinis and sandals don't exactly take up a ton of space, right? But heading to the beach is also about unplugging and relaxation. I mean, there's nothing better than lying out on the hot sand with a hot date or your boo. When one partner or travel buddy packs more than the other, then that's more time waiting at the baggage claim, waiting at the taxi stand, or waiting for them to lug it down the stairs. So why don't you two, yes, you two, make a pact to share only one bag? It's not as hard as you think.
But riddle me this, how am I supposed to fit all my stuff and my flippers in one bag?
Unless you have super specialized equipment, you'll spend more in baggage fees and time than you'd spend on rental costs, especially if you're just hitting the beach for the weekend. So, put the flippers down. Put them down. Once you eliminate the big stuff, set a hard and fast rule. You divide the space 50-50. Men tend to have larger clothing, while women tend to bring more toiletries. So it all evens out. Shake on it? There's a lot you can share, like electronics. Do you really need to bring 2 laptops? You'll probably want your own tablet or e-reader, but you can share ports on a 2-pronged travel adapter. Let's talk toiletries. If you're staying in a hotel, consider skipping the basics altogether, or opt for travel-sized unisex products. No need to waste room with 2 razor bases. Just bring 2 blades. Same goes for an electric toothbrush. Bring 1 base and 2 heads. Bring a small bottle of sunscreen and purchase more when you arrive. Use plastic wrap to keep it from oozing all over your suitcase. A unisex day pack can take the place of a purse, and you can take turns carrying it. Consider sharing other clothing items too, like bulky hoodies or jackets. Sharing is caring, but of course, you can't share everything. Bring fewer bottoms and bring more tops. Silk tops fold up into practically nothing, and cotton tees can be easily rolled up to save space. Focus on items that are easy to layer. A light dress can be dressed up with a scarf or warmed up with a light jacket. Use packing cubes to separate your respective wardrobes and keep things organized. Bonus points if yours has clean and dirty pockets. Pack smaller shoes inside larger ones, and pack socks inside of smaller shoes. Every inch counts. See if your hotel or vacation rental will provide beach towels. If not, bring a pint-sized travel version. So much space saved. Pack your flip-flops, but don't wear them to the airport. They're great for the beach, but not so great for running to your gate. Instead, opt for your heaviest pair of shoes. If you want to bring jeans, limit to 1 pair and wear them on the plane too, along with a hoodie or jacket. That's valuable suitcase space, and it doubles as a pillow.
But wait, how do we keep sand out of our luggage?
Don't go to the beach? No, there are definitely some ways to do it. Grab a mesh tote or a laundry bag to take to the beach. It's tiny, and a few taps will get all the sand out. If there's room in your bag, baby powder can work wonders against sand stuck on skin. Dust baby powder over the sandy area, then shake or brush off the sand. Tuck your sandy shoes into a shower cap to protect the clothes around it. Zip-top bags will come in handy too, to store wet clothing and protect your phone on the beach.